It's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be super fun to take you in a day of my life at college. I didn't record this morning right when I woke up because my roommate was sleeping and I thought that'd be kind of rude. But now I'm talking to you guys. I went to class and then I grabbed my lunch. It's a veggie burger and fries. These fries are so good. I haven't had the veggie burger from there before, but I'm excited because I feel like it'll be really yummy. And I'm gonna just warm these up because I had to walk. We have like an upper campus where we live and then lower campus where all the classes are. And that's where I got the food, and then I had to walk all the way back up here to eat it. Do probably some homework. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I'm done eating. All right, guys, I'm just chilling in my room watching some New Girl. Best show ever. I moved my plant over here because he's not doing too well. And I think he needs more sunlight because he's just been chilling under like my bed. Above the couch, but yeah, I think he needs some new sunlight. The leaves are turning a little brown. I think it's that I'm not watering it enough, even though I probably should water it a little more. Apparently my mom was watering them all summer and I just didn't know, because apparently it needs a lot more water than I thought. But my room is a complete mess, Most of it's my roommates, I'll be honest, but I'm gonna clean that up, so I'll make a little time lapse. And then I should probably work on my internship. By the way, I know in my last video I was talking about my internship and I got it, so that's super exciting. And I'm gonna do some work for that, and then also some work for my microeconomics class too. So I'll just start. It looks so much better already. I'm super happy I vacuumed it all. It doesn't even get that dirty. It's just that like our hair, because we always brush our hair in like in here, and Emily always blow dries hers and stuff. There's just so much hair everywhere all of the time. But yeah, now I'm gonna go and do some homework. From doing my homework, because I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. Right now I just checked and I hit 278 subscribers, and my goal for the end of September was 250, and I just like, my video of me dyeing my hair is like kind of popping off. It's gotten like a bunch like of views compared to like all my other ones obviously, and I just, wow, I can't even comprehend like how many people have been like leaving nice comments and stuff. It like makes me want to cry. I can't believe, like, I already have 28 more than I wanted by the end of this month, and it's not even like that close to the end of the month. September 21st. Today is September 21st, and I already have like completely passed my goal for this month, and that's just so exciting, and I want to cry. Also, people keep commenting. Someone said I like Noah Schnapp, and like, the fact that it wasn't even a picture, it was like a video of me like constantly moving. It's so funny, but also like not, because isn't he like bad and people don't like him? But I just think it's funny that like someone commented that not only based off of a picture, but based off of like a whole video where I was moving the whole time and showing different angles of my face. Like, it's not just one angle. Like, apparently I look like him from every angle, so I guess that's just something I have to live with. Everybody's being so sweet, and I've just never had anything like that. It also has like a bunch of thumbs down, but I just think it's funny. Like, the fact that it has so many views, people have been giving it thumbs down. Wow, I just am so grateful for all of you. Thank you. And I know that video will probably get more views than any of my other ones ever. I just got a junk call while I was recording that. My vehicle warranty is apparently over. But anyways, yes, I just wanted to say thank you and how grateful I am for all of you. And I feel like I don't even deserve this, like that many people being so sweet to me and all of the comments being so nice. And I never thought like one of my videos would get over 10k views. Right now it's at 11, and it just keeps getting more every day. I just wanted it to be small, and I wanted to have a group of people who were nice, and like I could be nice to them and reply to every comment, and I have been. But it just really warms my heart knowing that something I put out on the internet is like bringing people joy and making people enjoy it. I rewatched that video because I posted it almost 3 months ago, and it's kind of cringy, but it's also kind of funny, and like I was giggling while I was watching it. But I'm just so thankful for everyone, so thank you for watching. I know I'm rambling, I have to get back to my homework, but thank you so much. There's nothing worse than like trying to fall asleep and you're like sweating. That is the absolute worst feeling in the world. Alright guys, it's now 10:45. It's the end of my day. I did a lot more homework and I just ate with my roommate and we hung out and watched more New Girl, and that's it for tonight. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know if you did and subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope you all had an amazing day. And that's it, I guess. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.